Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice door handle in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice door handle. This ice door handle is installed on the ice bank door. It latches and unlatches the ice maker compartment. The most common reason to replace the ice door handle is if it's broken and won't latch the door. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. Next, I'm going to pull on this handle and open the ice bank door. Next, I'm going to use the putty knife to pry off this cover. I'm going to place this into the seam here at the bottom and pry it off and on the top, and we can remove it. Next step would be using a Phillips screwdriver, taking out these two Phillips screws. Hold on to this roller on the top. Next, we're going to remove this door handle. I'm going to hold on to those rollers. We don't want to lose them. I'm going to take them out. This is the old ice door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, I'm going to install this new door handle, and I'm going to place a roller at the bottom on, and I'm going to place the top one and make sure they're not going to go anywhere. Then I'm going to install two screws to secure it. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it's free. Next, we're going to install the cover. If you look from inside, you will see there's two tabs on this side and two tabs on this side. So these two tabs goes into these two openings here. And we're going to lock this one in first. And then I'm going to press this down. Now I'm going to close the door and latch it. Now we can close the fridge door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.